Quiz on national symbols of India. The national flower of India: rose, lily, lotus, jasmine. The national flower of India is lotus. The national animal of India: lion, tiger, elephant, camel. The national animal of India is tiger. It's actually Bengal tiger. The national fruit of India: apple, orange, guava, mango. The national fruit of India is mango. King of fruits, mango. The national bird of India: parrot, peacock, pigeon, sparrow. The national bird of India is peacock. The national river of India: Brahmaputra, Narmada, Yamuna, Ganga. The national river of India is Ganga. The national tree of India: banyan, neem, palm, eucalyptus. The national tree of India is banyan tree. The national aquatic animal of India: octopus, shark, blue whale, Ganges river dolphin. The national aquatic animal of India is Ganges river dolphin. The national heritage animal of India: lion, elephant, tiger, bear. The national heritage animal of India is elephant. The national reptile of India: python, king cobra, lizard, crocodile. The national reptile of India is king cobra. The national currency of India: dollar, Indian rupee, euro, yen. The national currency of India is Indian rupee. The national calendar of India: Egyptian calendar, Roman calendar, Gregorian calendar, Shaka calendar. The national calendar of India is Shaka calendar. It is also called Indian national calendar. Name of Indian national flag: Triranga, flag, bicolor, pentacolor. Triranga or tricolor is the name of Indian national flag. The national anthem of India: Janaganamana, Vande Mataram, Sare Jahan Se Acha, I Love My India. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, Kalidasa, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The national anthem of India is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The national song of India, Janaganamana, Vande Mataram, Sare Jahan Se Acha, I Love My India. The national song of India is Vande Mataram. Who wrote the national song of India? Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, Kalidasa, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The national song of India is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. How many Asiatic lions are there in the national emblem of India? 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 Asiatic lions in the national emblem of India. Motto of the Indian national emblem: Vande Mataram, Hindustan Hamara, I Love My India, Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate is the motto of the Indian national emblem. Who designed Indian national flag? Pingali Venkaiah, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi. Indian national flag is designed by Pingali Venkaiah. In the Indian national flag, which color is at the top? Green, saffron, white, blue. In the Indian national flag, saffron color is at the top.